Hey, Wildcats. Today's announcements, you've certainly heard the saying, fair weather friend, or that term. A fair weather friend is somebody that hangs out with you and they're friendly with you when times are good, but when times are bad, they're gone. They'll ride the limo with you, but when the limo breaks down, they won't even wait for the tow truck. They'll bounce. They're out of there. They're not helpful. They aren't a friend at all, in fact. So let's go to a quote. This quote comes to us from John Winthrop. Wait a minute, Mr. Martin. Another picture of a guy that's so old, so ancient, that his picture's in black and white? Well, listen up, Buttercup. John Winthrop was a founding member of the Massachusetts Bay Colony. He was a founding member of this country. And sometimes, Wildcats, people from history can teach us about how we should behave and act in the present. And if you have a respectable figure that you want me to quote, send me their quote. I'll make an announcement out of it, and we'll have a colored picture of somebody. Anyway, Winthrop said, "We must strengthen and comfort each other. We must love one another. We must rejoice together, mourn together, labor and suffer together." Wildcats, isn't that what life is all about? Isn't that why we're put on this earth, to help each other? In other words, real friends stick together through good times and bad. They support each other, they celebrate each other, they mourn together when things are bad. They don't leave each other alone, ever. So if you have a friend that's like this, add value by reaching out to them and thanking them for being such an important person in your life. Wildcats, that would be a great way to add value. So today, work hard, do your best. I will talk to you again on Friday. Have a great day, everyone.